everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita and as promised, I am going to tell you about the most powerful detox technique, that is sun charging. It's a powerful way to harness the magical powers of sun. Our ancestors used to worship sun as a deity of health and happiness. सूर्य देवता को सूर्य नारायण भी कहा गया है और हमारी पूरी पृथ्वी जब सूर्य के इर्द गिर्द घूमती है तो मनुष्य क्या है? The fact is, you need to develop a relationship with sun. You can either worship as a deity or you can make him your friend. Speak your heart out and surrender yourself completely to the divine forces. Life on earth is possible due to sun. धरती पे जीवन सूर्य की वजह से ही तो है. आपके खाने का खाना भी तो सूर्य ही है. आप फल, सब्जी, अनाज कुछ भी खाते हो, सूर्य के बिना थोड़ी वो ग्रो करेंगे. फूड ऑफ आवर फूड, बीट फ्रूट्स, वेजीज और ग्रेन्स इज ऑल्सो सनलाइट. आजकल हर चीज़ में मिलावट है. खाने में, पीने के पानी में, दूध में, इनफैक्ट हवा तक में मिलावट है. सूर्य की रोशनी एक ऐसा सोर्स है जिसमें कोई मिलावट नहीं है. इनफैक्ट our honorable Supreme Court called sunlight as the best disinfectant in the whole wide world, and it is the only source which is uncontaminated. Not only this, it has proven to be a powerful detoxifier which is essential to clean your internal body. Also, in my previous video, I explained why it is important to keep my internal body clean. Sunlight is a biological need. Nature has not designed our bodies to live without sunlight. कुदरत ने हमें ऐसा बनाया ही नहीं कि हम सूर्य की रोशनी के बिना रहें. How it works? Sunlight warms our skin, which improves the blood circulation. Toxins are circulated, which are finally excreted through sweat or urine. Sunlight is food for your cells. Without it, the body cannot function properly. It has said to fix or heal anything, be it any lifestyle disease you can name. Type 2 diabetes, skin related issues, thyroid, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, hormonal imbalances, PCOD, PCOS, digestion related issues, constipation, piles, indigestion or any other lifestyle disease. It is also good for your heart health as it decreases the bad cholesterol. Sunlight regulates the insulin secretion and even has potential to reverse type 2 diabetes. India has proven to be the diabetic capital of the world. Even though we are blessed with abundant sunshine throughout the year, from north to south, from east to west, let's see how sunlight was being used as a powerful medicine across the globe. In Germany, sunlight was used in wars as a natural antiseptic to clean wounds instead of giving them bandages. जर्मनी में युद्ध के दौरान सनलाइट को, सूर्य की रोशनी को जख्मों को ठीक करने के लिए यूज़ किया गया. In Greece, heliotherapy clinics existed. Heliotherapy means using sunlight as a medicine. It was found patients who had their beds under sunlight found dramatic results. ग्रीस में सूर्य की रोशनी का उपयोग औषधि के रूप में किया गया था. And in Italy, sunlit hospital rooms were there where patients healed faster compared to normal. जिन पेशेंट्स के कमरे में सूर्य की रोशनी होती थी वो जल्दी ठीक हो गए बाकी पेशेंट्स की तुलना में. In India, it's a normal practice to sun dry clothes after washing. धोने के बाद हम लोग सब कपड़े धूप में ही सुखाते हैं. But in European nations, anyone who was suffering with skin diseases was prescribed to sun dry their clothes. In fact, when grains go bad or catch worms, we put it under sun. In fact, इंडिया में सर्दियाँ आने से पहले कपड़ों को भी धूप लगवाई जाती है और फिर उसे पहना जाता है. इसका रीज़न ये भी है कि हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया या जिन्हें हम पैथोजेंस कहते हैं, डिजीज़ कॉजिंग माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स, वो उसको भी किल करता है, उसको भी मारता है. Sunlight also provides you with sunshine vitamin. In India, it was seen that most of the people are vitamin D3 deficient, and such deficiencies make us prone to skin diseases, joint pains, bone-related problems like osteoporosis, gout, rheumatoid arthritis, and even mental health issues like stress, anxiety, aggression और डिप्रेशन। भारत में विटामिन D3 की कमी की वजह से आजकल घुटनों का दर्द, चर्म रोग, हड्डियों का कमज़ोर होना, ये सब आजकल बहुत कॉमन हो गया है। एंड द मेजर सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन D इज नेचुरल एक्सपोजर टू सनलाइट। Vitamin D and calcium go hand in hand. Sunlight stimulates the body to produce vitamin D, which gives strength to the bones, thereby increasing calcium absorption. And as a result of this, even bones regain their strength. It also strengthens our immunity as it enhances the generation of T cells. And T cells kill the harmful bacteria inside us. हमारे अंदर के बुरे बैक्टीरिया को मारता है और हमारी इम्यूनिटी को मजबूत करता है. It also increases the oxygen carrying capacity of the red blood cells.
Ayurvedic sun bath was used to treat skin disease, wherein the diseased part of the body was exposed to sunlight and then brought into shade and massaged with a cooling oil like coconut oil.
Sunlight heals any skin disease, be it acne, eczema, psoriasis, HS, MS, or any other chronic skin disease. It is also important for your mental health as it boosts your serotonin levels. And serotonin is your body's natural happy hormone or your pleasure neurotransmitter. That's why we tend to feel happy and more energetic when the sun shines. We in India are fortunate to have abundant sunshine throughout the year, unlike Scandinavian nations like Denmark, Norway, Sweden, Finland, where the sun sets as early as 3 p.m. And due to this, it was seen that many people struggled with mental health issues. Many people were found depressed and even committed suicide. This was termed as seasonal affective disorder. As sunlight goes down, their sadness went up. Most developed countries are experiencing the highest suicide rate in winters. आपने भी सर्दियों में महसूस किया होगा, जब धूप नहीं निकलती मानो ऐसा लगता है कि ज़िंदगी रुक सी गई है. कपड़े भी धोकर डालो तो सूखते नहीं हैं. सेम चीज़ ही बारिश में भी आपने महसूस की होगी. खुश रहने के लिए दवाइयों का इस्तेमाल ना करें, बल्कि सूर्य की रोशनी का लाभ उठाएं. Instead of popping pills to be happy, we can choose something as simple as sunlight. Almost 70% of the energy so produced is utilized in digestion. This is the most important process of your body, and sunlight makes our digestive fire stronger, which improves the nutrient absorption, thereby improving your digestion process. आपकी जठर अग्नि को तीव्र बनाता है, जिसके कारण आपका पाचन तंत्र और ज़्यादा मजबूत बनता है. Not even best of the best diets can provide these benefits. No pills, no sachets, no supplements can replace this. All mineral relationships will be eventually balanced, and if at all there are any deficiencies in the body, then they will gradually go away. This is the best lifestyle medicine. Now we know the benefits of sunlight. Let's learn 2 powerful ways to harness the magical powers of sun. One is sunbathing and the other one is sun gazing. These practices were common among many religions and cultures in ancient times. शरीर की बाहरी गंदगी को साफ करने के लिए पानी से नहाना तो ज़रूरी है, लेकिन शरीर की अंदर की गंदगी को साफ करने के लिए सूर्य की रोशनी ज़रूरी है. Sunbathing is a simple yet very powerful way to sun charge your body. This technique will cleanse your internal body. How to do sunbathing? Sun exposure of about 10 to 15 minutes early in the morning or late in the evening is sufficient. And if time permits, then you may do it even for half an hour to 1 hour. Expose your front and your back. You need light or warmth and not heat of the sun. So ideally, do it within 1 to 2 hours of sunrise और सनसेट. आपको सूर्य की रोशनी चाहिए, गर्मी नहीं. इसलिए कड़क धूप में सूर्य स्नान ना करें. उसके फ़ायदे नहीं बल्कि नुकसान हैं. इसलिए सूर्य उदय होने के 2 घंटे के अंदर अंदर कर लें
या सूर्य अस्त होने के 2 घंटे पहले कर लें.
This technique has potential to reverse any lifestyle disease. पेट पे धूप लगवाना इसलिए भी ज़रूरी है क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी का सबसे ज़रूरी प्रोसेस है डाइजेशन, और ये आपकी डाइजेस्टिव फायर को, जठर अग्नि को भी स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है. पीठ पे धूप इसलिए भी लगवाएं क्योंकि ऐसा कहा गया है, रीढ़ स्वस्थ तो संपूर्ण शरीर स्वस्थ. जहाँ भी बॉडी में दर्द हो, घुटने में, कंधे में, कहीं स्किन के घाव हैं तो उस एरिया को ज़रूर धूप लगवाएं. Wear light colored clothes so that sunlight can penetrate easily inside you. Don't wear synthetic clothes, and it is useless to sunbathe from glass windows. Go out in the open, be it your terrace, your balcony, or maybe to a nearby park. कॉटन के कपड़े पहन के ही सूर्य स्नान करें ताकि सूर्य की रोशनी अंदर तक पहुंच सके. खुली हवा में ही सूर्य स्नान करें. अपनी बालकनी, आपकी छत पे या मे बी कोई पास के पार्क में ही जा सकते हैं. यू कैन क्लब सन बेदिंग विद योर एक्सरसाइज रूटीन. इन फैक्ट योगा सेशंस स्टार्ट विद सूर्य नमस्कार. सूर्य नमस्कार करने के डबल फ़ायदे होंगे, एक्सरसाइज का फ़ायदा भी और सनलाइट का भी. यू कैन एक्सरसाइज, डू प्राणायामा, और in fact simply read a book out in the sun. So enjoy the goodness of nature and always be thankful for everything it has blessed us with. Second magical and powerful technique to detoxify is sun gazing. इसको हिंदी में सूर्य दर्शन भी कहते हैं. In fact गायत्री मंत्र में भी कहा गया है, धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्, जिसका मतलब है हमारे सोए हुए मस्तिष्क को जगाएं. For sun gazing, you just have to simply stand and watch the rising sun or the setting sun, preferably the orange light of the sun. It has also been proven to be anti-aging in nature. उगते या ढलते सूर्य को एकटक देखें, इसको सूर्य दर्शन कहते हैं. First hour of sunrise or last 1 hour of sunset works the best, as during this time there are no UV rays. You can start with 1 minute and then gradually you may increase it up to 8 to 10 minutes. 1 मिनट से आप सूर्य दर्शन करना शुरू करें और धीरे धीरे उसको बढ़ा के 8 से 10 मिनट कर दें. Medical practitioners also say eyes are the extended part of the brain or windows to the brain, and sun rays reaches our brain fastest through eyes. You can call it electricity supply to the brain. आँखें हमारे दिमाग का ही हिस्सा हैं और सूर्य की रोशनी सबसे तेज़ आँखों से ही पहुँचती है. This technique balances your mind and your body. It is good for your mental health. It increases your willpower, decreases stress, depression, aggression. It also regenerates brain cells. And you will see eventually, if at all there are any addictions, then they will also start fading away. आपके मन और तन को शांत करता है और आपके मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए भी सूर्य दर्शन अच्छा है. Sun gazing provides you with energy, as now you're directly taking sun food. आपको ऊर्जा देता है क्योंकि आप डायरेक्टली अब सन से अपना खाना ले रहे हो. And hunger pangs starts reducing as this life-giving energy is directly transferred to my body. It improves your brain power and provides energy to pineal glands. And pineal glands is also your third eye, which is responsible for your intuitive powers. आपकी pineal glands को ऊर्जा देता है जो आपकी तीसरी आँख कहलाता है. It improves concentration, IQ levels, brain power and a lot more benefits. You'll start becoming more positive, and this is the best lifestyle medicine. So do find some time to reconnect with nature. If you like this video, then please do share it among your friends and your family so that even they can benefit from this powerful information.
I would also like to duly credit Subha Jain from Sattvic Movement for propagating this powerful information for the greater good.
I work hard in creating this content for you. So if you like, share, subscribe and comment, then I would be definitely motivated to put more such content for you. Thank you so much for watching.